If you're looking for ways to improve relationships, stand above the crowd, and improve our leadership skills, I'm glad you're here. My name's Jon Walrath with Dale Carnegie. The first principle in the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People, is don't criticize, condemn, or complain. This is the only principle that says don't do this, and it opens up the possibility of the next 29. William Skinner, a world-renowned psychologist, did an experiment, and he proved that animals learned much faster and retained what they learned longer in a positive environment versus a negative one. And the same is for you and for me. When we stop criticizing people, they're more apt to be open, build stronger relationships, and increase morale. But the moment we criticize someone, they get defensive, it impacts their dignity, and it causes resentment. So let's make a commitment now, and it starts here, to think positive thoughts, to speak positive and encouraging words, and see what happens to not only the morale, but our relationships, our culture, and our productivity. So keep an eye out for the next video. You don't want to miss it.